Welcome to Magic, Witchcraft, and Mystery. I'm your host, the Curator, and tonight, we're going to embark on a journey through space and time to explore the wonders and mysteries that lie beyond. In this episode, we'll explore the Independent Order of Odd Fellows, a fraternal organization that was founded in 17th century England. The organization is known for its philanthropic and charitable work, as well as its emphasis on promoting friendship, love, and truth among its members. The organization counted among its members some of the most powerful and influential figures of the day. John Wilkes, a famous radical journalist and politician, was also a member of the Odd Fellows in the late 18th century. Sir George Savile, a British Whig politician and supporter of American independence, was also an early member of the Odd Fellows. Through their involvement in the Odd Fellows, these men sought to create a brotherhood that transcended social class and political affiliation, based on the principles of equality and mutual support. But what were the secrets they sought to keep hidden, and why did they need the trappings of ritual and symbolism to maintain their bonds of brotherhood? King George IV was admitted to the Odd Fellows in 1780, when he was Prince of Wales. The mysteries of the Odd Fellows may never be fully revealed, but their legacy lives on. From their origins in the crowded taverns of 18th century London to the present day, the Odd Fellows have been a force for good in the world. The Odd Fellows were brought to America in the early 19th century by Thomas Wilby, an English immigrant who settled in Baltimore, Maryland. In 1819, he started the first American Odd Fellows Lodge, which he called the Washington Lodge No. 1. From there, the organization spread rapidly across the United States, with lodges popping up in cities and towns from coast to coast. The Odd Fellows became particularly popular in the West, where they provided a sense of community and mutual aid for settlers and pioneers. The organization played a significant role in the American labor movement in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. With the rise of industrialization and the growth of labor unions, many workers turned to the Odd Fellows for support and solidarity. The organization provided a platform for workers to organize and advocate for better wages, working conditions, and benefits. In addition, the Odd Fellows provided financial assistance to members and their families in times of need. The organization also supported charitable causes and was involved in community service, reflecting its commitment to improving the lives of its members and society as a whole. The Odd Fellows are just one of many fraternal organizations that emerged in the 19th century. The Improved Order of Red Men, for example, was founded in 1834 and aimed to promote Americanism and preserve Native American traditions. For the Odd Fellows, the central tenets of their beliefs are friendship, love, and truth. The society also has a set of initiation rituals that involve symbolic actions and allegories that represent the journey from darkness to light. The use of a magic lantern, as we will discuss, is a part of this process, along with other elements like the use of costumes and passwords. The magic lantern was an important tool for the Odd Fellows, used during their meetings and initiations. The slides that were shown on the lantern depicted moral tales and allegories, often accompanied by music or narration. These stories were meant to teach the members about the virtues of brotherhood, charity, and morality. The lantern itself was a device that projected an image onto a screen or wall using a light source and a series of lenses. The slides used by the Odd Fellows were often hand-painted or hand-drawn, and could be quite intricate and detailed. Some of the most common stories depicted on the slides included the parable of the Good Samaritan, the allegory of the three links of the Odd Fellows emblem, and the story of the origin of the order itself. In the 1950s, the Independent Order of Odd Fellows continued to grow in the United States, with many new lodges established. The organization remained committed to its principles of promoting friendship, love, and truth, and supporting those in need. In addition to charitable activities, the Odd Fellows also played a role in supporting labor unions and civil rights movements. In the decades that followed, the Odd Fellows continued to evolve and adapt to changing times. They expanded their reach across the country and around the world, establishing lodges in new communities and countries. They also continued to support a range of charitable causes, from disaster relief to healthcare initiatives. Today, the Independent Order of Odd Fellows remains an active and vibrant organization, with thousands of members across the United States and around the world. While some of their rituals and practices may seem mysterious or outdated to outsiders, the Odd Fellows continue to uphold their long-standing commitment to making the world a better place through friendship, love, and truth. Join us next time as we continue our quest for knowledge and understanding of the mysteries that surround us.